Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Dignity Wealth. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser, and after that, you need to type down your dignityhealth.org and enter it after you're done. And after that, you'll get into an interface like this where you could see the Dignity Health official homepage, and in the top right corner, there's My Portal login option. Click on that. In order to log in, you are required with your email address and your password. So simply type down your email and your password and make sure you type down your correct password. And after that, if you have forgotten or lost access to your password of your Dignity Health, then click on this option that says forgot your password in order to recover or reset your password. And then after that, click on this login option to successfully log into your Dignity Health. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.